Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Insuring the Built Environment. Today we're answering the question, why is my insured value greater than my market value of my home? And if you are in this situation, I'll give you a couple reasons why this could be the case, and I'll also tell you a quick story. The other day I got a call from a friend of mine who lives across the country. I'm here in Fairfield County and he's out in California, and he said, "Hey Rob, if you want to just take a look at my insurance quotes, I just got my renewal and I don't really understand what they're doing in here." And what he was talking about was he was looking at Zillow or Redfin or Trulia or one of these online real estate marketplace sites. And he was saying, my house would sell for 1.7 to 1.9 million dollars. And he has a great house, like 5,000 square feet, amazing details, beautiful architecture, and a really nice area. And he's saying, okay, I could sell my house for between 1.7 and 1.9 million, but these insurance companies are charging me a premium based on a replacement cost of like $4 million. Like, what's going on? And so we had a conversation. I was explaining to him, look, the insurance companies use replacement cost as the insured value for your home. And that replacement cost, that insured value, is based on an appraisal. What it would cost them if they had to rebuild your house from scratch. Every detail, if your house burned to the ground and they had to rebuild everything the way it was, exactly the way it was, so that you and your spouse are back to normal. Everything is back the way it was. And that is different than what it would cost necessarily to purchase your home in the market. So market value, on the other hand, is what any house would sell for at a given time in your market. And given, local markets can be inflated or depressed depending on what's going on in the market at any given time. Like right now, with interest rates going up so much, a house that you could have afforded a year ago, maybe you couldn't afford today. And so that's causing market prices to stabilize and even drop in many markets across the US. So people are wondering, why am I paying so much to insure a house that has a replacement cost that's like twice what it would cost me if I could sell my house today? And so that's really what's going on, market forces and two different ways to value a home. Now, there are things that you can do to get the cost of your insurance premiums to go down. You can play with your deductible. You can look if you're using a high value homeowners insurance provider like a Chubb or Pure or Hanover or one of these companies that will insure high value homes. You can look for ways to reduce certain line items of coverage that may be added on that you may consider superfluous. You may consider those to be unnecessary. And then you can reduce the cost of your premium that way. But just work with your insurance broker and see if you can maybe negotiate the cost of your contents or reduce the dwelling value by getting your own appraisal or just contesting the appraisal amount that the insurance companies come up with. But these are all things that your insurance broker should be able to help you with. So again, if you have questions about your insurance, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me at the link below this video, or you can just go to robfreeman.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this is helpful, and have a great day.